Good morning guys. Weather update natin guys. May hapon pa mag-exit si Typhoon Ramiel. Ingat-ingat na lang po ang lahat guys. Ito tayo sa may bandang Julio Vargas corner EDSA. Magdala kayo always ng payong guys, at saka mga lahat ng panangga sa ulan, dahil tag-ulan na talaga, dahil meron pa tayong Typhoon Ramiel. Next ko lang tong bagong falls dito sa Mega. Ayan ang falls, oh. Ang galing naman dito sa Mega Beach. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in the city of Mandaluyong. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Guys, paselfie lang tayo ng in a moment here in EDSA, here in Highway 54. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.